In this video, I'll guide you whether ChatGPT is writing an article with plagiarism or plagiarism free. So I'll show you and give you a proof here whether it is a plagiarized document or without plagiarism. So I'll write a few things here. 200 words article on health. Okay. It is a command for ChatGPT. I will show you proof whether it is showing plagiarism or not in the AI or not. So you can look, it has completed. I will copy whole data from here. I'll copy this data in plagiarism documents, Grammarly, right? Control V. I will paste this data and I will apply scan for plagiarisms. You can see it is plagiarized data or not. It will confirm here. We have found plagiarism in your text and have also detected 4 writing issues. So this is the showing whether it is a plagiar or not. Plagiarism found. Okay. Grammar issues, spelling is almost 100% correct, punctuation 100% correct, consonants is 100% correct, readability 100% correct, word choice 100% correct, and additional writing issues maybe. But one thing that you can't ignore, plagiarism found. Plagiarism is found here in your text. So it is 100% sure it is a plagiar document, because definitely it is extracting data from some sites and they compare with your choice what types of data you are demanding from ChatGPT. Live proof, Grammarly, it is one of the authentic software which check the plagiarisms. So you can say that it is a plagiar data on AI ChatGPT. Okay, I think you have cleared this concept today, whether the data is plagiarized on ChatGPT or not. So in my opinion, in Grammarly opinion, it is plagiarized data. So you can't use in your thesis or in your research paper or in your conference paper. So be conscious about this. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you find my video helpful for you, like my video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos.